What up, YouTube? Back with a quick unboxing video. Got a couple things in the mail today. Figured I'd go ahead and make a quick video. Let's get into it. As y'all can see, sky high car audio. Basically, like ground wire. I needed some ground wire. Nothing fancy. You can see Sky High Car Audio Twisted OFC 1 out, so like 5 feet. Basically for one of my batteries. I needed some. And this is for these are some templates, as y'all can see, for some 6.5s. These are gonna go in the Toyota Corolla. I usually don't buy templates for them, but this time I figured why not. Be an easy fit, no customizing or anything like that, so I got those. Y'all can kind of guess what's in that box. Also got some of these speaker harness adapters. That way I don't have to splice into anything. So those will go with those speaker adapters. And I ended up, since I got those templates, I ended up getting some templates for the rear 6x9 PRVs that I got. The ones in the back don't have any templates, and I had to just fit them in there as best as I could. It actually has 4 bolts in the back that I'm not even using, so that's what these holes are for. And then it has the 4 holes to mount the 6x9s themselves. So give it a cleaner look. Got some screws with them too. I don't know if I'll be using these. Maybe I will. We'll see. So I got my 6.5 templates, my 6x9 templates. Some tips on how to adjust them or how to mount them. So let's get to the main box. As y'all can see, could have done better in packaging them up. Three little sheets of the Air Plus bubbles, I guess. And there's a big ass box, so could have done a lot better in packaging them. Hopefully they come out. I actually got these on sale. They are, it says right here, got these way cheaper. They are renewed by Amazon warehouse, and these are the Tpt-m6-4 6x-inch mid-range loudspeakers. Tympanos. I see everybody's getting tympanos now, so figured why not. Got your paper cone. Nice little magnet on the back. It says 140 watts, 4 ohms, 6-inch mid-range. Tympanos. So they sound like they're in working condition. Let me check out the other one just in case. This one looks okay as well. So I mean, for renewed, they look almost brand new. And I saved, I think, like 20 bucks, 25, almost 30 bucks on these. And these are going in the front doors, because I believe the other ones are still factory, and I think I blew them completely because I can't even hear. I don't hear any sound coming from the front door speaker, so I figured these would go in perfect. I'm gonna run them off the head unit for now, but I believe in the specs. They said something about, here are the specs. .4-inch voice coil, 3.3 pounds, 70 watts RMS, and 140 watts max. So I think they should work perfect for the front doors. Maybe I'll put them on the amp in the future. for right now, I'm gonna run them off of that Pioneer head unit I got. So overall, not some bad looking 6 inches, 6-inch mid-range mids. Following note from my boy Mark Woods. I seen he upgraded to some Tpt-m6-4 mids as well. So I went ahead and jumped in the same boat and grabbed some myself. I heard they're screamers, so we'll see. I'll see if I can do a video of me installing them. Taking the other ones out. I'll show you what the other ones look like, the factory ones. That way y'all can see how cheap and crappy those other ones are compared to these, of course. So that's pretty much it. Let's see if they fit in these. Yeah, they look like they're gonna fit. Yeah, so these templates and then these adapters are gonna go on these tympanos. So that's basically all I got. Until the next one.